What's up, everyone? We're gonna bleed the coolant system on this 2001 Volkswagen Passat. It's a pretty simple task. We're gonna take the 3 little screws out of the coolant reservoir. We got one here, here, and here. You're gonna want to make sure your coolant is filled up pretty much to the max line. We're going to take the screws out. You're going to want the cover off, and we're going to tip the coolant reservoir up, which will make all the coolant travel down through all the lines. But before we do that, you got to take this clamp off, this little hose here closest to the battery, and you're going to pull the hose back almost to where it's going to be off the little adapter in there. And there's a little hole. You can't see it because the clamp's covering it, but there's a little hole where when we lift the reservoir, we'll get a little stream of coolant coming out, which pushes all the air right out of the hoses. And then we'll get these out. Get it in there. Two, 3. All right. Got pliers. Get the damn thing on there. Pull that back. It's always something, you know. Clamping crooked on me. Alright, well, I'll worry about that after. Got this little hole right here. That's where the coolant will come out. I'll pull that right back. We're just about at the end of that inlet there. Whoop. All right. Yeah, can you see that too? Perfect. All right. Yeah, see, we got some coolant shooting out of the hose over here. There shouldn't be any more air in the lines going to the heater core. So that's good. I'll push that hose back on. See if I can't get this clip straightened out. There we go. Put that back in place. That's it to bleeding these. I'm not a Volkswagen guy though. I don't really work on these things all the time. I could be wrong. There could be something else. But from what I see, that's it. Hopefully this helps someone out. We'll get this thing back together, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I just wanted to add in, make sure you check your coolant level now, since we did lose some fluid. I'm sure most of you know to recheck it after that, but I wanted to throw that in there.